Hey, Paul Akers here. I want to show you some amazing new adapters or accessories for the third hand system. Now I've got the entire third hand system and family set up behind me because I want to do a quick overview so you understand how these work. But essentially what we have is the new panel adapter and the pipe adapter, which allows you right here to support a piece of pipe. Let's say you're putting up conduit or something up in the ceiling and you want to be able to pump that up. You've got the ability to do that very fast and very easily with this new V-channel adapter right here, which is perfect for doing pipes. Now, let's say you're putting up a vanity panel in a public bathroom or something like that, and you want to be able to support that panel when you put the mounting brackets on. So you can simply take this, slip it into this, it supports the panel on both sides, and then of course you can just pump it up into position and get it the perfect height. Now I'm showing both of these new adapters on our little hand, and then these are our third hand. So now you have an idea of what the adapters do. Let me show you a few more things about the third hand family and how these adapters could come in handy for you. But just before I do that, I want to point out this is a third hand right here. And you can see I've got it supporting the conduit up there at the very top with the new pipe adapter. It's very, very cool. We just put in this ductwork here, and incredibly handy to support the ductwork before we put the speed braces in. So it's a really cool product. I think you're going to find so many uses for it, and they're very inexpensive. So here is the third hand family of products. Just to review, the main bulwark of everything we do is the third hand. Then we have the upper hand, we have the European model of the upper hand, we have the little hand, and then we have the disposal jack right here. So, quick review. This is a typical third hand that you would buy. It comes with a 3x3 foot in the bottom, completely swiveling and articulating, a 3x3 foot on the top, and it pumps up like this and extends up to 12 feet. Simply take your ball detents right there, slide it out, snap it into place, pump this up as high as you want. That's the third hand. So now let me show you what comes with a third hand. So you've got your third hand, extends up to 12 foot. You have your 3x3 foot on your articulating ball. Now, you can pop that off in a second, and every third hand comes with the dust barrier foot, which is magnetic. Right there, you put your plastic in there, you put the washer over the top. Now you can support your plastic so it doesn't come off as you're lifting it to the ceiling. It also comes with this little C channel right here. This is part of the accessory package that's in every third hand. You take the C channel, you snap it onto there. The reason we did that is now you don't have to remove the ball to be able to use this, and the C channel keeps this stationary. If it wasn't on there, you'll see what will happen here. I'll take it up and then this would wobble around. Not that it would matter, but it just makes it a little nicer. So you're going to get both feet with every third hand. So now we're going to talk about the panel adapter and the pipe adapter and how you would use that on a third hand and how to make that work. So all you do is simply go like this. I'm going to take this one off, and we're going to take off that ball. You have two choices on how to do this. You can take off the ball and then put on the adapters that come with a universal foot. So this is sold separately right here. Now a universal foot comes with 3 different adapters. This one right here is a ball adapter. So watch what happens. I could take this, snap it on the top of there like that, and it allows this to articulate. I can then put on the pipe adapter. It just pushes on like that, and that would support your pipe. Now it would move a little bit, but that wouldn't matter once you got underneath it. But let's say you don't want that articulation. Then what you need to do is just take off the ball, and we'll use another adapter. This time we're going to take our universal foot, and if you take that adapter off right there, that fits the inner galvanized pole and also fits the panel adapter or the pipe adapter. So let's do that. So there are 2 ways to get this off. On the older third hands, this ball was compression fit on there. You take a crescent wrench, fit it to the size of there, quick little tap, tap, tap like that, and the ball comes off. Then you're ready for your adapter to go on there like this. Then you go ahead and put on your panel adapter like this, and you're set. So that's how you could do that one. So on the newer third hands, we actually put threads on the ball, and that works just like this. You can take a pair of channel locks, loosen it up a little bit, and you can see, look how that threads off of there. It's a very nice little improvement that we made to this product, so you can thread that on and off very easily. If not, just knock it off and put it back on when you're done. So that's how you would use the panel adapter and pipe adapter on the third hands. on the upper hands, on the little hands, however you want to use it. But it's a really cool new accessory. We've got so many cool things with the third hand and so many different applications you could use it on. I find this product invaluable. You know, we've got a whole wall back there with all of them for us up there, and we're constantly using them for all kinds of things. One of our best-selling products. Let me show you one more thing on the third hand family. To show you the EMT third hand. Basically a piece of 1-inch EMT, electrical conduit. You go down to Lowe's or Home Depot, buy the conduit. Then you actually get a foot in the kit package for the top and the bottom, and a pump mechanism. You put the pump mechanism in, it fits perfectly to this pipe size, and then you make your own third hand, any size, short, big, long. You can extend them, connect them together, do whatever you want. A lot of contractors, commercial people find this very useful. And then we have the third hand, the LT. This is made out of aluminum, very lightweight, great for people who are doing lots of dust barriers and lots of dust control because it's so lightweight. It's just feather weight, and it doesn't weigh much. And then, of course, by far the most popular, the third hand. Oh, and then I forgot one more thing, the magnetic laser mount. It's absolutely awesome. It allows you to position your laser anywhere you want. It's so cool, and it works on the third hand as well. So that's the full lineup of the third hand product line, as well as the two new accessories, the pipe adapter and the panel adapter, which I think you'll find very useful, and we'll keep coming out with more and more cool things as we go along. Thanks a lot.